Good late afternoon, everybody. It's Brandon Dockney, Delaware Weather Guy, and I'm just kind of tuning in to update you on the current situation with these storms coming in tonight. Um, right now, the main bulk of the storms are just crossing or just reaching the Chesapeake and about to cross over into the Delmarva Peninsula, which is basically us. um, there was a situation when I was coming home, and I did post that there was a cell like right here. If you kind of go back, right there, that cell that just passed south of Washington D.C. looked very ominous. Actually, there was a tornado warning in that cell on radar. Now, whether it was something that touched the ground, we don't know. So we just move on until we get confirmation. But uh, these little this multi-cell is carrying a pretty good punch with it. So I would expect within the next um, 45 minutes probably for the storms to reach at least the border between the eastern shore and uh, western part of Delaware and like the Smyrna, West Dover, Hartley, Maredell, Laurel, those areas. Um, and then between the 6 and 7, I would expect it to reach pretty much the whole rest of the state. And we'd be talking uh, Wilmington proper, Newark, Middletown, um, Smyrna, um, Delaware City, North Wilmington, Tallyville, Hookessin, Pike Creek area. So I would expect within the next hour and a half for the storms to start lighting off in this area. So we'll cross our fingers and hope it doesn't contain any strong cells. Other than that, the weather story is still pretty much the same. They extended the area north to Philadelphia and Camden and almost up to Princeton. So those areas need to be aware of what's coming. All right. So hold tight. We'll get through it. Everything's quote fine. So just relax, and we'll check up on them in another couple hours. Brandon Doherty, Delaware Weather Guy, saying adios.